Hi everyone, it's Winsome and today I'm back with another origami video, as you can tell. And what are we making today? Well, today we're going to be making this racer plane. Is the lighting kind of weird? I don't know, it might just be me because I'm so tired right now because it's night time. Oh, I don't know. Gosh, it's fine, I think. Yeah, we'll be making this racer plane, which I knew we kind of made a plane not that long ago, but yeah, before we'll make another one, go with the flow, right? So yeah, let's begin instead of me rambling on all the time like usual. So using a piece of origami paper from before, because we like to reuse on this channel, I'm going to fold it up but not entirely make a crease. We're just, as in not entirely fold it in half, I mean we're just going to make a small crease in the corner so that we can tell where to make another crease here. So make another crease up to that line, just up to that center line. And then what you're going to do, actually, I think I did the same last time, we are going to cut the whole bottom in half so we can make a full crease so we know exactly where to cut. So yeah, get a pair of scissors and simply cut that off. And yeah, once you've done that, we can discard that bottom part. I cut that part off on purpose, as you can tell when I flipped over, because it was a bit crinkly. And what we're going to do is this time actually fold it in half and make a crease. I kind of like this pattern, it's kind of funky, you know, like 70s kind of vibe. And then rotate it, and we're going to fold each corner up like this to the center fold we just made. So like so. And then after that we're going to do another fold towards the center, but this time it's going to be like this. So from this corner to the center, like so. I'm trying making it neat. I always make it really messy, I swear, when I'm on camera. It's like the kind of thing when you're on camera, everything just doesn't go as well as you like when it's off camera, when you're like practicing, I swear. Even though there's no pressure, to be honest, because it's just me in the room folding origami on my own in the middle of night. So yep, fold both sides towards the center like this. And then what we're going to do next is grabbing the front. We're going to fold it, I say about halfway here. I kind of have a dot right there, so it kind of makes it all for me. But yeah, it doesn't have to be exactly perfect. So about this much, which isn't very precise, but like I said, it's not too much of a bother. And then what you're going to do next is flip and rotate it over like so, and then fold it in half after some struggle like usual from me. Fold it in half, whoop, like so. And then what you're going to do is, well, first you're going to fold it down actually. So yeah, fold it down about this much. Always sounds so unsure when I'm folding, because, you know, probably because I am always unsure. Everything is kind of like an experiment to me. Sometimes you follow the instructions, but you know, it's like better to, like, sometimes I see it and I'm like, actually it might be better to do this instead, which isn't very often, to be honest, which is, so that's why I try to follow the instructions as close as possible usually. And then yeah, fold the other side down as well, just to match the other side. so hard to fold. I'm so weak. Yeah, so then you have your plane like so, and then what you want to do is kind of fold it back and do a little slit here. So going this way, about, yeah, so folding it off, and then like so. It's not very precise because I'm never precise. Yeah, doing a slit all the way up there, and then what you're going to do is push that through to the top like so, and yeah, just fold it, get into its shape, and yeah, that is the, let me just move forward, back out, that is your plane with a little back. Oh, it's so small at the back. So yeah, like so, there is your plane. I always say it looks cooler this way because I think you can see the white and like you can see the contrast between the colours, but this is obviously the base and then this is the top. It just always looks so basic when you just look at the top like that. But yeah, this is your little razor plane, and hopefully, like I said with the other plane before, it works, but who knows. And yeah, so make more of these and hopefully you have fun making them. So yeah, like usual, write a comment down below to tell me what you think about this video, like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other stuff I post, and yeah, thanks for watching and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!